Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, the happiest place to learn English. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. Wow, Olivia, I'm super excited today.
Me too. Why are you excited, Jack?
Because today's topic is a magic trick. We will teach you how to train your brain to speak English without translating.
Yes, no more think in my language, translate, speak. That process is slow and tiring.
We want you to think in English, fast, natural, and easy, like a native speaker.
If you love this episode, please click the like button right now. Click, click, click.
And subscribe to Easy English Daily, turn on the little bell, and write one small comment. I want to think in English. It helps us a lot.
Okay, ready? Let's start the magic.
So, Olivia, when I started learning English, I always did this. I think one word in my language, then I translate in my head, then I speak. Very slow.
Yes, me too. My brain was working so hard. But now, I think only in English. It feels free.
How did you do it? Teach us.
We have 3 super easy tips. Tip number 1 is the most important. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Tip 1. Think in very small English sentences all day.
All day? Even when I'm not studying?
Yes, especially when you are not studying. Start with super small sentences. Look, I have a phone.
Nice phone.
In my head, I don't just think phone. I think, this is my phone. Or, my phone is black.
Ah, a full sentence.
Exactly. Try it now. Look at something near you. What do you see?
I see a cup.
Good. Now make a small sentence in your head.
This is my cup. My cup is white. The cup is on the table.
Perfect. You are training your brain right now.
When I wake up in the morning, I can think, I am awake. The sun is shining. I am hungry. I want coffee.
Yes. When you go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth. The water is cold. I see my face.
I am very handsome.
Yes. See, it's fun.
When I walk on the street, it is a sunny day. I see a red car. A dog is running. The dog is cute.
Excellent. You are connecting English words directly to the real world, not to your language. This is the big secret. Repeat after me, everyone. I am walking. I am happy. This is my bag. My bag is heavy.
Wow. It feels different, but good.
Yes. Do this all day. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. No pressure. Small sentences equal big results.
Okay, I love tip 1. What is tip number 2?
Tip 2 is input. English must go in your ears and in your eyes every day.
Like food for the brain.
Exactly! Your brain needs English food. The best food is easy English. A1, A2 level. Slow and clear.
For example, this podcast.
Yes! Easy English Daily is perfect input. We speak slowly, we repeat, we use easy words. Another super input is simple English songs.
I love music. Which songs?
Songs with easy words and repetition. For example, Baby Shark Do-Do-Do. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Happy Birthday to You.
I know them. The words come again and again. Perfect.
Or very simple pop songs. I love you, you love me. Let it go, let it go.
When I like the song, listening is not work, it's fun.
Third input, watch easy videos about things you love.
I love cooking.
Perfect. Search on YouTube, Easy Cooking for Kids, or Simple Breakfast in English. The person says, this is an egg. I break the egg. I add salt. Now I mix. You see the action and hear the English at the same time. Magic!
I love football.
Great! Watch short football videos for beginners. He kicks the ball. It is a goal! The players are happy. Because you love football, your brain is happy and learns faster. Rule number 1, only watch and listen to things you like. Happy brain equals fast learning brain.
So tip 2 summary. 1, listen to easy English daily every day. 2, listen to simple songs you love. 3, watch easy videos about your hobbies.
Do it 10 to 15 minutes every day. Small time equals big change.
My ears are hungry for English food now.
Olivia, my brain already feels stronger. What is tip number 3?
Tip 3 is the most fun. Output. English must come out of your mouth.
But I have no one to speak with. My friends don't speak English.
No problem. The best speaking partner is you.
Me?
Yes, speak to yourself. People do it all the time. Now do it in English.
Where can I speak alone?
In your room, in the shower, in the car, when you walk. Nobody hears you.
Okay. What do I say?
Look around and describe everything out loud. Let's try now.
This is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big and soft. I have a blue pillow.
Great! Keep going.
There is a table. On the table, I see a book. The book is thick. I have a black computer. The computer is on. I see a window. The window is open. It is a sunny day.
Wow, Jack, your English is flying. When you cook, speak. I open the fridge. I take the tomato. The tomato is red. I cut the tomato. Now I add salt. It smells good.
I will speak in the kitchen every day.
At night, before sleep, tell your day in English. Today, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I drank coffee. I listened to Easy English Daily. I spoke English to myself. I am happy. Tomorrow, I will do it again.
It feels like a diary, but with my voice.
Important rule. Speak out loud. Your ears must hear your voice in English. This is super powerful training.
My mouth is exercising.
Let's review the 3 magic tips. Tip 1, think in small English sentences all day. Tip 2, input. Listen to easy podcasts, simple songs, watch easy videos you love. Tip 3, output. Speak to yourself out loud. Describe everything.
Will I speak perfectly tomorrow?
No. Learning English is slow, but that's okay.
Slow is okay?
Yes, be patient, be kind to your brain. 10 to 15 minutes every day is enough. Small steps every day equals big results in 3 to 6 months.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are your friends.
Friends?
Yes, when you say, I is happy, you hear it, you think, oh, I am happy. Next time you say it correctly. Mistakes equals learning.
So mistakes help me grow.
Exactly. Never be afraid of mistakes. Be brave. Have fun. If it's not fun, you will stop. So, make it fun.
I promise I will think in English, eat English input, and talk to myself every day.
Me too. My shower will be an English class from tomorrow.
Everyone listening, start today, just 10 minutes.
Yes, and now your homework. Very easy homework. In the comments, write one sentence. What do you do to train your brain? For example, I listen to Easy English Daily every morning. I speak to myself in the shower. I watch cooking videos in English. Wait. Bonus time.
bonus? I love bonuses.
Yes, today we give you a 5-minute daily practice plan for beginners. Listen carefully and do it every single day.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, just 5 minutes of focused practice. But if you want more, you can do more.
Okay, tell us. I'm ready.
When you open your eyes in the morning, say these sentences softly or just think them in your head. I am awake. Today is a new day. I will speak English today. I am ready to learn. My brain is strong.
I love this. It feels like I'm programming my brain for English.
Exactly. These are your morning English seeds. Plant them every day. During the day, think small English sentences. You don't need a notebook. You don't need a book. You just need your mind. Here are more examples you can use. When you drink water. I drink water. The water is cold. I feel better now. When you walk. I am walking to work. My steps are fast. The weather is cloudy today. I see people on the street. When you work or study. I open my laptop. I read an email. I write a message. I am focused.
Wow, these sentences are so simple. Anyone can do this.
Yes, because simple is powerful. Now your brain needs English input. Play one Easy English Daily episode or one simple English song. Just listen. Don't stop the audio. Don't translate. Don't worry about difficult words.
Easy English Daily is perfect because we speak slowly, clearly, and we repeat.
Yes, your brain loves repetition. Listen and enjoy. Even 5 minutes a day trains your ears. More easy listening ideas. Short kids stories. Very simple podcasts. Slow speaking channels. Nursery rhymes. Easy pop songs.
My favorite is listening while making tea.
That's perfect. Listening plus doing something you love equals fast learning. Now the fun part. Output. Speak out loud. Remember, you are your best speaking partner. Choose one place. In your room, in the shower, in the kitchen, while walking, in your car, before sleep. And say simple sentences like, this is my phone. I have 2 hands. I am smiling now. English is fun. I am learning slowly, but I am learning. I am proud of myself.
Speaking out loud feels different. It feels real.
Yes, when your ears hear your own voice in English, your brain learns 3 times faster. This is science.
Olivia, I love this system, but why 17 minutes?
Because 17 minutes is small, easy, and possible for everyone. Not 1 hour, not 30 minutes, just 17. Everyone has 17 minutes somewhere in the day. 2 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes thinking, 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes speaking.
Even busy people can do this.
Yes. And if you do this for 30 days, your brain will change. You will start thinking in English automatically. If you want extra practice, here are bonus ideas. Read one short paragraph in English. Write 3 small sentences about your day. Watch a simple YouTube video. Listen to the same song twice. Describe objects in your house. Talk to your pet in English. Count things in English. Books, cups, steps.
I talk to my plant. Hello, plant. How are you today?
And your plant says, I am green. Both laugh. Last motivation message. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to start. Start small. Start today. Start now.
Yes, many people wait for the perfect moment, the perfect book, the perfect teacher.
But the perfect moment is now.
Exactly. Small daily actions are more powerful than big, rare actions.
Now repeat after us.
Say it with confidence.
Say it loudly.
Say it loudly. I can think in English. I can speak in English. I am improving every day. I am patient. I am brave. English is part of my life. I will not stop. I can do this.
Louder.
I can think in English.
You are the best students in the world, truly.
We are so proud of you.
Don't forget, like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and write your comment below.
Tell us, what do you do to train your brain?
We will read every comment and give hearts.
See you tomorrow with a new fun episode.
Keep smiling and keep speaking English.
Bye-bye.
Bye, superstars.